Badlands. We have a minivan over here and sunrise coming up back there. And the Legacy over here sitting pretty in the South Dakota Badlands, halfway across the country from where we live. It's cold. It's actually, I think, freezing right now. I can't tell you how cold it is, but it's freezing. But good thing I have this Area 1320 beanie. But look at the sunrise coming up right over there. It looks almost fake. Look at that. It's about to crest right over there. That is insane. That's wild. Oh, we're gonna go hiking this morning for a little bit before we leave. So we're gonna take the Legacy and go drive to a parking lot, hike through some of those before we head up to our next stop, which is Devil's Tower. Then eventually today on a super long drive over to Glacier National Park, where we have a really cool Airbnb where we'll be staying. But in the meantime, we're gonna pack up the tent, kind of all this jazz, and then go hiking, yeah, enjoy ourselves. But this is cool. Look at the sun, it's about to crest. Come on, sun, do it. Sun's coming up over there. You can see it cresting, so I'm gonna grab some 50D real quick. Put some 50D in our Super 8 here and get some Super 8 shots. And I have some battery left on this print, so I'm gonna do. Whoa, okay. We got some cool sunrise shots at Legacy, especially got some cool photos. I grabbed a few quick video clips and a few Super 8 clips. Now we gotta break down the tent, and then we're gonna go hike through there for a little bit, and then we're gonna get on the road to Devil's Tower, Wyoming, which should be really, really cool. And then from there, Glacier National Park, and then from there, Portland. So hopefully, I could still have enough film for all that because I'm already running low on my film. But I think we're doing great on time. We're doing great on content. So we're chilling, we're having a fun time. Badlands, Legacy's here. My car from New York, in the Badlands, so that's kind of cool. All right, I'm gonna finish breaking down this tent. Zach, you sure know how to pitch a tent. These aren't really cutting it. Hey, thanks, man. Gotta ditch these gloves because they're, you know, not what I want. I think I want to put on these grease monkey gloves this morning. I don't do a lot of work on my own car, so I could use these to keep my hands warm this morning because it's freezing. It's actually not that cold anymore. But, oh yeah, grease monkey gloves. Also, driving gloves. Don't do that. They're gonna get mad at me. Don't do that. All right. To everyone still sleeping, I'm so sorry. Not that bad. Not that bad. Oh, the compressors, that's bad. Hi, Chris.
same with Yosemite too. Like you want to like reach out.
All right, so everyone got showered up. We're leaving the Badlands right now. We're gonna go stop at Waldrug, which is a cool little touristy town strip outside of the Badlands, and then we're gonna head up to Glacier National Park, which is going to be a super long drive for us. It is going to be a while. Have a good one. It's gonna be a while till we get up there, so that's gonna be a long drive. In the meantime, we're gonna go grab a quick bite and some touristy stuff at Waldrug, and then we'll update you guys when we get there. But we are now leaving the Badlands, which was amazing. Love coming back here. We'll definitely want to come back here again. And I just can't believe I have my car here. The car is disgustingly dirty, but we will, once we get to our next shoot spot, we will use our Maguires and wipe down the entire car. For now, we figure we'll leave it as it is. We just got here, Waldrug, cool little town, like a touristy town in the middle of nowhere realistically, but it's cool. It's just like a one-lane strip. We were here last time too. We did our cross-country trip. It's really coll. Just some like little touristy stores and all type of knickknacks and food we'll probably grab. But yeah.
Here, I'm gonna get this for you, Chris.
Does it say?
If you squint hard enough, it says, I'm taking a 700 horsepower Subaru across the country.
Yeah, same thing. What'd you find, Sebastian?
Her favorite.
Oh. Quick pit stop. We actually stopped in Sturgis. Hey, Zach. Zach's here still. Well, I guess everyone's still here. We stopped over in Sturgis. We don't have a bike. Kind of fitting because we have a cool car. This is where they have the Motorcycle Museum Hall of Fame, where they do all the large motorcycle meets and all type of jazz. It's not going on now. It happened recently, but we missed it. But that would have been cool to run by. But we stopped to get gas, and then we still going to have about a solid few hours until we get to Glacier National Park, which is going to be a long road. So we're going to fill up on E85 here. We got here because they have 85. We're going to flop our tune over to our 85 tune, and then we get to go. Also, we'll get some bangs and crackles and pops when we flash our tune back down. Road trips, dirty windows, lots of bugs. We got wires, clarity, glass cleaner we're going to use on both cars. It's really windy. You probably can't hear any of this. But there are a lot of bugs. We got to get rid of them, so we're going to use my wires here. Got to get rid of a lot of bugs on both cars while we're stopped here. We're going to be liberal with this too. What bugs? You Devil's Tower. Moo Moo Tower, where? No, alright, thanks. I'm not looking. Zach said he saw it. I'm not looking. Where is it? Oh, what? That's so cool. I almost looked good. Nobody's in the other lane. I see it, I see it, I see it, I see it, I see it. So we can see Devil's Tower from here. We're still 37 minutes away and 17 miles away. And we can see it off in the distance. That's so weird. That's so weird. Huh. That is cool though. Holy shit. Alright, so really quickly, we're at Devil's Tower, about to be there. We're gonna get some rollers on the way there, with the Legacy, with the Movi. Pit crew's cleaning the Legacy off real quick. Zach's getting a camera set up on the front windshield, so we can have that as well. I'm gonna film from the side of the van, but we're really quickly just trying to beat the sunset because we probably have about another hour of light. So we're just trying to beat that real quick. Got the waterless wash and wax, giving it a little wipe down. It's really dusty, so we're just coating the waterless wash and wax on there. Just kind of get rid of all this dust that you see here. We're just gonna soak it in the waterless wash and wax. That'll be just fine.
So sick.
Knock, knock. Prairie dog. Just jumps up and bites in the face. We just finished up getting some rollers around Devil's Tower. Now we have, what, a 12-hour drive to Glacier?
I think so.
12 and a half. That probably turns like 13, 14.
15.
Sick. But this is cool. This is so cool. It's a little pit stop. We never even got to go all the way up to it, but we got to see it from here and from a distance, and I think that's enough for me. I'm happy with it. It looks so cool.
It's sick. Yeah. Rate the fit. Rate the fit. 1 to 10 right here. Oh, rate that ass though. Oh boy. Oh.
What you doing, Seb?
I'm trying to get the cars in front of the trading post here, and then also get Devil's Tower itself.
Oh wow, look at that.
So maybe I'm gonna put the cars like much farther up in the middle of the parking lot, so there could be like really good depth of field going on.
Oh, that's two. That's two. Okay, it's currently like 9:30 after we left Devil's Tower on our way to Glacier National Park. Then we're gonna stay over in Billings, Montana, and then continue over to Glacier National Park the next day. Sebastian's sleeping in the car. I think we're gonna buy this and either save it and use it tonight or save it for another time. 12:08, 12:08, new hotel, Billings, Montana, and we're gonna get some sleep. We're really tired. That's the end of this vlog. Thanks for watching. Zach is dancing, Sebastian's sleeping, Ash is sleeping. Other Zach is great at driving long distances. We'll see you in the next vlog. We're all really tired. Tomorrow we're going to Glacier National Park. Love you guys. Okay, bye. Thanks for Myers, Blackview, and Grease Monkey Gloves. Ah!